3 months ago, a retired Toyota engineer from Nagoya reached out to me after watching one of my videos. He said something that bothered me. You Americans pay $40,000 for a Japanese car and never use half of what we built into it. He was not being rude. He was frustrated because Japanese engineers spend years developing hidden functions that prevent costly repairs, protect your engine, and extend your car's life by tens of thousands of miles. But these features are never explained at the dealership. They are not in the owner's manual, and most mechanics in America have no idea they exist. Over the last 90 days, I tested every function he described across Toyotas, Hondas, Mazdas, and Subarus. Some of them genuinely shocked me, and the last one on this list is something every driver needs to know before their next oil change. These are engineering-level functions sitting inside your car right now, doing absolutely nothing because nobody told you to turn them on. Secret 1. Silent lock confirmation. Let me start with something small that you will use every single day. Every Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru sold in America comes with a factory horn beep when you lock the doors. Most people think that is your only option. It is not. Japanese engineers built a silent confirmation mode into every single one of these cars because in Japan, honking your horn in a residential area, even to lock your car, is considered extremely rude. So they engineered a workaround and never told American buyers about it. For most Toyotas and Lexus models, go into your vehicle settings, find door lock settings, and look for confirmation mode. Switch it from horn to lights only. Your hazard lights flash once to confirm the car is locked. Zero noise. For Hondas, the method depends on your model year. Some models let you hold the lock button on your fob for 3 seconds to lock silently. Others have the option in the vehicle settings menu under sounds or door lock preferences. Check both. For Mazdas and Subarus, it is in the vehicle settings menu under security or door lock. Toggle the horn confirmation off. Now, here is why I am starting with this one. It is not because it is the most important. It is because it proves these hidden settings exist in your car right now. If your car has been hiding something this simple from you, wait until you hear what it has been hiding about your engine. That is where things get serious. Secret 2. Automatic seat and mirror return. Secret number 2 sounds small until you use it once and realize you can never go back. Most Toyota and Lexus owners with power seats know about the memory preset buttons. You press one and the seat moves to your saved position. But what almost nobody knows is that Japanese engineers built a full automatic entry and exit system behind that same button. For Lexus and higher trim Toyotas, go into vehicle settings and find memory recall on entry. Turn it on. Now, when your specific key fob approaches the car, the seat and mirrors move to your programmed position before you even open the door. But here's the hidden part. In that same menu, look for auto exit position. Enable it. Every time you shift into park and turn off the engine, the seat slides back and the steering wheel tilts up automatically so you can get out without squeezing past the wheel. Start the car again, and everything returns to driving position on its own. For Hondas with power memory seats, check your vehicle settings under the seat or comfort menu. Look for an easy exit or auto exit option. If your model supports it, the car will automatically slide the seat back when you shift into park. Now, I know what you were thinking. This is a comfort feature, not a repair saver. And you are right, I included it because it proves how deep these hidden settings go. But the next 3 secrets are where this list takes a hard turn into engine protection territory. And number 5 on this list is the one that mechanics do not want you to find. Secret 3. Real-time fuel economy display. Secret number 3 is costing you hundreds of dollars a year and you have no idea. Every modern Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru has a fuel economy display. You have probably seen it. It shows your average miles per gallon over time. But that display is almost useless for actually saving fuel because it averages everything together and updates too slowly to change your behavior. What you probably do not know is that a completely different fuel reading exists underneath it. For Toyotas and Lexus models, cycle through your multi-information display using the steering wheel controls. Keep pressing until you find the instantaneous fuel economy screen. Instead of showing a slow-moving average, this displays your real-time miles per gallon changing live with every tap of the accelerator. Most owners cycle right past it without realizing what it does. For Hondas with the Eco Assist system, go into vehicle settings, then Eco Assist settings, and enable detailed coaching mode. This activates a real-time scoring system that grades your braking, acceleration, and cruising efficiency on every single trip. Here is what Japanese engineers discovered during testing. Drivers who switch to the real-time display and use it for just 2 weeks permanently improve their fuel economy by 10 to 15%. That is $200 to $400 a year in fuel savings just from seeing what your right foot actually costs you. And that brings us to secret number 4, which is the first function on this list that directly prevents a repair bill most drivers do not see coming until it is too late. Secret 4. Battery drain prevention. Secret number 4 solves a problem that sends thousands of drivers to the mechanic every month thinking something is wrong with their car. You park at the airport for 10 days. You come back, turn the key, and nothing. Dead battery. You call a tow truck. They charge you $150 and tell you the battery might need replacing. So you spend $200 on a new one. But your old battery was fine. Modern Japanese cars have dozens of electronic systems that stay active even when the car is off. Keyless entry sensors, alarm modules, climate memory, infotainment standby, all drawing small amounts of power around the clock. This is called parasitic drain, and it is the #1 battery killer on modern vehicles. Some newer Toyotas and Hondas have power management options in the vehicle settings menu. If yours has one, turn it on. But here is what Japanese car owners have been doing for decades that almost no American driver knows about. They install a simple $10 battery disconnect switch on the negative terminal. Takes 5 minutes with a basic wrench. Before they leave the car parked for a week or more, they twist the switch and cut all parasitic drain to zero. The battery stays at full charge for weeks. No tow truck, no unnecessary replacement, no $350 wasted. If you travel frequently, this one habit saves you from a battery replacement every 2 to 3 years. And if saving $200 sounds useful, the next secret could save you thousands, because it shows you something your temperature gauge has been hiding since the day you bought the car. Secret 5. Engine temperature real-time display. Secret number 5. This is the one I mentioned earlier that mechanics do not want you to know about. Look at your temperature gauge in your head. That needle sits right in the middle during normal driving. Here is the truth. That gauge is lying to you, not broken, lying. It is designed to sit in the middle whether your engine is at 180 degrees or 215 degrees. It barely moves until you are already in the danger zone, but your car knows the exact temperature the entire time. It just does not show you. Some Toyota and Lexus models give you access to a detailed vehicle information screen through the multi-information display. Navigate through the trip computer or vehicle status menus and look for coolant temperature or powertrain data. For Hondas, certain generations have a diagnostic display accessed through button combinations on the gauge cluster. Check your specific model online. But here's the real solution that works on every Japanese car regardless of year. A $15 OBD2 Bluetooth adapter plugged into the port under your dashboard paired with a free app gives you exact coolant temperature in real time. If you are towing on a hot day and coolant hits 225 degrees, you will never know from the gauge. But with a live readout, you see it immediately. Pull over and you just avoided a blown head gasket that costs $1,500 to $3,000. Now, if you are finding value in this video, hit that subscribe button. Let us keep going, because secret number 6 gives you access to something your dealership charges over $100 an hour to use. The OBD2 Bluetooth adapter I use with my customers is linked in the description. It is about $15, plugs in under your dashboard in seconds, and pairs with a free app on your phone. Once you see your actual coolant temperature in real time, you will never trust that factory gauge the same way again. Secret 6. Hidden diagnostic check. Secret number 6. This one is going to make some mechanics uncomfortable. Every Japanese car sold in America has an onboard diagnostic system beyond the check engine light. For Toyota and Lexus models, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the odometer trip button quickly several times. On many models, the display cycles into a service information mode showing stored trouble codes. If everything reads 0, no faults are stored. Any other number means a system needs attention. For Hondas, turn the ignition to on without starting. Hold the odometer reset button for 10 seconds. The display enters a similar diagnostic mode. For Mazdas, turn the ignition to the second position and press the trip button 6 times quickly. For Subarus, hold the odometer reset button while pressing the trip toggle 5 times. Now, here's the honest truth. These built-in checks show basic information, mainly whether your car has stored any fault codes. They do not replace a full scan. But if your car shows 0 codes, you have peace of mind. If it shows a code, you know to investigate early. And if you want the full picture your mechanic sees, a $20 OBD2 scanner reads every fault code, shows live sensor data, and lets you clear codes after repairs. A $200 sensor replacement caught early instead of a $2,000 failure caught too late. That is the difference, but we are not done. The next secret has nothing to do with maintenance. It is a safety override that could save your life at 70 miles per hour. Secret 7. Emergency engine shutoff. Override secret number 7. I debated putting this one on the list because it is not something you use every day. But after the Toyota unintended acceleration recalls, every driver needs to hear this. If your accelerator pedal gets stuck or your throttle malfunctions at highway speed, most people panic. They slam the brakes while the engine fights them. Some try holding the start-stop button. That works. but it takes 3 seconds. At 70 miles per hour, 3 seconds is over 300 feet with a runaway engine. There is a faster method built into every push-to-start vehicle. Shift into neutral first, then press the start-stop button once. One press. The engine shuts off immediately. Because you shifted to neutral first, you keep full power steering and full brake assist. The car rolls safely to a stop, and you maintain complete control. For vehicles with a traditional key ignition, turn the key back one position to accessory without pulling it out. Same result, engine off, steering and brakes still powered. Toyota issued a technical service bulletin about this years ago, but almost no owners saw it. Practice the sequence once in a parking lot so your hands know what to do. Neutral first, then one press. Now here is why I saved the last secret for the end. Everything so far protects your car or keeps you safe in an emergency. But number 8 is different. Number 8 is the single most damaging mistake drivers make every morning, and it is destroying engines by 60,000 miles. Secret 8, cold start engine protection. Secret number 8. This is the one the Toyota engineer from the beginning of this video said saves more engines than every other feature combined. Every single morning, millions of drivers start their engine, shift into gear within 5 seconds, and drive away. But here's what is happening inside your engine during those first 20 to 30 seconds. Most of your oil has been sitting in the oil pan all night. When you hit the ignition, the oil pump pushes that oil upward through narrow channels to the camshaft, valve train, turbo bearings, and dozens of critical surfaces. For those first seconds, lubrication is reduced. Parts that need a full film of oil are running on residual coating from the last time you drove. Your car already knows this is a vulnerable moment. That is why it automatically enters cold start enrichment mode. You can hear it. The idle speed is slightly higher than normal. That is not a problem. That is the engine management system increasing RPM to build oil pressure faster. The system needs about 20 to 30 seconds before idle settles back to normal, but most drivers override it. The moment you press the gas or shift into drive, you force the engine to work under load before oil has circulated. You are canceling the protection engineers built for you. The fix costs nothing. Start your car, wait until idle speed drops to normal, then shift into gear and drive gently for the first few minutes. I have inspected timing components on high-mileage Toyotas and Hondas where owners followed this habit. The difference in wear is significant. 20 to 30 seconds every morning to add serious life to your engine. Here is what I want you to take away from this video. Every one of these functions is in your car right now. They were designed by engineers who care about how long your car lasts, not salespeople, not marketing departments. Engineers. The only reason you did not know is because nobody showed you. Start with the cold start habit tomorrow morning. Run the diagnostic check this weekend. If any of these tips save you even one repair bill, this video did its job. Watch this video next for more insider maintenance advice.